The moment someone stops choosing you is rarely announced. It happens gradually through reduced effort, shorter replies, and softer investment. You feel it before you confirm it. And that feeling is heavier than silence. At first, you try to compensate. You text more thoughtfully. You become more patient. You convince yourself that effort can restore what has shifted. But love cannot be revived by one person alone. Connection requires two people leaning forward. When one leans back, the imbalance grows. And imbalance is exhausting. Walking away does not begin with anger. It begins with clarity. Clarity arrives when you realize you are holding something alone. And holding something alone was never the agreement. The hardest part is accepting that their withdrawal is not temporary confusion. It is a decision forming quietly. People who truly value you do not hesitate repeatedly. They do not require persuasion to remain present. When someone stops choosing you, they stop protecting the bond. They stop correcting misunderstandings quickly. They allow distance to stretch without urgency. Urgency only exists where care still lives. You may feel tempted to fight harder. To prove your worth. To remind them of what you share. But you cannot compete with indifference. Indifference is not an obstacle you overcome. It is a message you acknowledge. Walking away requires confronting reality without dramatizing it. It means admitting that love cannot be forced into reciprocity. It means recognizing that your presence should not require negotiation. And it means choosing dignity over desperation. Desperation feels urgent. It whispers that leaving will mean losing everything. But staying where you are no longer valued means losing yourself. That loss is slower but deeper. It erodes confidence. It reshapes identity. When someone stops choosing you, your first instinct may be to ask why. You want closure. You want explanation. You want something to hold on to. But explanations do not restore selection. Selection is voluntary. And voluntary love is the only love that sustains. Walking away is not about punishing them. It is about protecting you. It is about stepping back from a place where you are tolerated rather than treasured. You do not need dramatic exits. You need quiet resolve. You need the courage to stop overextending. And you need the discipline to let silence remain silent. There is power in restraint. When you stop chasing, you stop bleeding energy. When you stop persuading, you stop diminishing yourself. At first, the absence will hurt. You will question your decision. You will wonder if you should have tried one more time. But if someone truly wanted you, you would not have been the only one trying. That truth is painful. But it is freeing. Walking away restores balance internally before it restores it externally. You begin sleeping better. You begin thinking clearly. You begin remembering who you were before you started shrinking. Shrinking happens slowly. You compromise tone, needs, and expectations. You accept less to maintain proximity. Proximity without reciprocity is hollow. And hollow spaces echo loudly at night. When you walk away, you are not abandoning love. You are refusing to beg for it. You are saying that your presence is not an option to be evaluated. It is a gift to be chosen. And if it is not chosen, it is withdrawn with dignity. The most powerful walk is the quiet one. No dramatic speeches. No emotional theatrics. Just absence. Absence reveals truth faster than confrontation. If they return only when you leave, you are never truly secure. If they panic when you detach, they valued access, not you. True commitment does not awaken at the threat of loss. It exists consistently. Walking away teaches you something critical. You are capable of surviving the thing you feared most. And once you survive it, your posture changes. You stand differently. You speak differently. You choose differently. The right person will never require you to prove your worth repeatedly. They will recognize it instinctively. They will lean forward without hesitation. When someone stops choosing you, let them. Do not interrupt their decision. Do not negotiate your value. The sun does not chase those who turn away from it. It rises regardless. And the one meant to stand in your light will never need convincing to stay there.